Are you looking for the best wood burning tool? Here we will break down the top 8 best wood burning tools on the market. In this video, have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Walnut Hollow Creative Versa Tool. Measuring 1.7 x 5.3 x 9.8 inches, this tool features a comfortable grip so that you can work on your project as long as you want without getting tired. It also comes with a heat shield to protect your fingers in case the device gets too warm for you. Walnut Hollow is compatible to work with a wide range of materials including wood, leather and cork. And it cuts and curves through every single of these materials with the help of its variable temperature control. Yep. You can control the temperature as per your wish and have the flexibility to set the range anywhere between 0 to 950 degrees Fahrenheit. It's ideal to set the dial to your preferred point before you start crafting. At number 2. TruArt Wood and Leather Pyrography Pen Set. If you're looking to expand what you can do with your pyrography equipment, you can go wrong with this set, which comes with 35 different pieces, including tips and stamps. These are made from brass, which is great at transferring heat, and include stamps, which allow you to quickly create common shapes with a single touch. Also included is a stencil, which will allow you to quickly create lettering and numbers without having to plan the shapes yourself. It also comes with great directions and tips, so you can maximize your use of these tips in a safe manner which will extend their life. You can also get this kit at an incredible kit, making it the best for the money on our list. If you want to upgrade what you can do and already own a burner tool, then you can't go wrong with the addition of these tips and stamps to your collection. What ultimately keeps this model out of the top 2 is that it doesn't include a burner tool, which is reasonable given the price. While it's not something which beginners should buy, it makes a great addition to any established pyrographer's collection. At number 3. Walnut Hollow Creative Wood Burner. The Walnut Hollow Creative Wood Burner Introduction Value Pen offers the perfect wood burning kit for beginners and professionals alike. This wood burn kit comes complete with a stand for easy use, in addition to 4 different tips included in the kit. This pyrography tool works at 950 degrees Fahrenheit and allows a consistent temperature to be attained. The Walnut Hollow Creative Wood Burner Introduction Value Pen is easy to use for beginners and includes 4 different tips for achieving different wood burner crafts. At number 4. Walnut Hollow 41992 Creative Wood Burner. Walnut Hollow Creative Burners allow you to create your own lettering and designs in no time. Choose from 4 different tips for drawing, writing, and shading for your own purposes, all controlled by a temperature dial that ranges from 600 to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. An instruction booklet provides helpful tips, safety care, and regular maintenance to ensure you have a risk-free, safe experience. This is an excellent beginner's pen that provides you more control than many others. This allows you to provide various shading techniques and the ability to create more. At number 5. Dremel 2000 Versatile Butane Torch. The tool comes with 14 pieces, loaded for perfectly executing any type of project you may want to. Wood burning, shrinking or maybe even area heating, everything can be done with this tool. It even does soldering as it comes with a butane torch that is really easy to use. It has its own ignition trigger and it also has a feature called flame lock. This feature is especially helpful when soldering and it made it so easy for my wrists. The temperature control was more tactile and responsive in my opinion. And the quality of the product is a bit better in my opinion than the previous entry. At number 6. Darice Wood Burning Creativity Set. The Darice Wood Burning Kit will likely serve you the briefest amount of time. I barely got a year out of my Darice kit, it's not ideal for frequent use. When used for long durations, the included tips tend to warp under the heat. It's not all red flags with the Darice kit, though. Part of the reason it appears on this list is its performance. The pen points heat up quickly, which is what every wood burner would like to hear. You may be able to start your projects much faster with this model compared to the other reviewed kits. As long as you are using a metal tip for the design, your work will proceed seamlessly and with accuracy. But if you have to change between tips, the points take too long to cool down. At number 7. TruArt Stage 2 Dual Pen Professional Wood Burning Detailer. The versatile TruArt Stage 2 Dual Pen Professional Wood Burning Detailer has 2 pens and sturdy metal stands that allow you to work quickly, switching between them, so there is no waiting for the tool to cool before changing tips. Both 60W temperature wood burning tools heat instantly and may be regulated using the digital voltage control adjustment. The dual power heating mode allows you to work faster, alternating between the 2 pens. A 1-year 100% satisfaction guarantee are included. The cost and the space needed to accommodate and fully operate both pens may be drawbacks. Also, both pens cannot be used at the same time. It is necessary to switch between the 2 handpieces. An adapter is needed for international customers that do not utilize the standard 2-prong 110V outlet, and these Stage 2 tips are exclusive to the TruArt Stage 2 tool. This higher-priced dual wood-burning kit works best for advanced and professional artisans that create detailed work in a variety of materials. At number 8. The Weller Wood-Burning Kit. This short-barrel wood-burning kit offered by Weller is affordable, easy to use, and useful for a variety of hobbies and crafting projects. Users love the price and the comfortable grip, but some do note that there is no temperature dial. The Weller wood-burning kit measures 9.8 x 3.9 x 1.7 and it features a stainless steel barrel, a heat and impact resistant handle, a complete project book, and a weight of 12.8 ounces. Another great thing about this kit is that it includes 9 wood-burning tips, an embossing tip, a hot knife, and a stand. You can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit with it.